Hello viewers, in this tutorial I'll show you how to fix Instagram profile add banners option not showing problem. So let's see how to fix this problem. For fixing this problem, first of all go to Play Store and then tap on search app. Now search Instagram. From here update your Instagram apps in latest version. After completing update process, now tap on Instagram apps option. Now scroll down and here you can see a option join the beta. Now tap on join option and join Instagram beta program and then go back to home screen. Now find Instagram apps. Now long press on Instagram apps. Now open Instagram app info. Just tap on I button or app info. Now scroll down, go to storage option. Now clear cache your Instagram storage. Now go back, tap on force stop, tap on OK to confirm. Now go back to home screen and then restart your phone. After this step, your problem will be solved successfully. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.